India imports 67 of its gas from the Middle East. This supply is currently under massive threat because the Strait of Hormuz has been blocked due to the escalating US-Iran-Israel conflict. Qatar refuses to mediate in Iran conflict. Qatar Foreign Minister Mohammed bin Abdulaziz Al Khulafi stated they will only consider a role after the fighting stops. He clarified that Qatar does not view Iran as an enemy and advocates for dialogue. Recent Iranian attacks have caused significant damage to oil infrastructure in Qatar and neighboring countries. Temperatures have spiked early this year, crossing 40 degrees Celsius in 14 cities across Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Experts cite a lack of winter rainfall, drought, a decrease in western disturbances and dry winds from the Rajasthan-Gujarat region. A major disaster was averted in Thailand involving Air India Express flight 1X938 Hyderabad to Phuket. The aircraft was forced to make hard landing due to a technical issue related to the nose wheel. All 135 passengers and 6 crew members are safe thanks to the pilots' alertness. Everyone was evacuated without any reported injuries. Pune-based auto component manufacturer Sedimac Mechatronics Limited was listed on the Indian stock market today. On the NSE, the shares listed at a 14% premium at rupees 1,535, while on the BSE, the shares listed at rupees 1,510. Key details of the IPO: the price band was from rupees 1,287 to rupees 1,352 per shares, and the subscription period was open from March 4 to March 6. The company raised a total of rupees 1,087.455 crore through this public issue. During an attack on Iran, an American missile exploded in mid-air in Fars province, resulting in the deaths of 20 people. The United States carried out this airstrike in a residential area. Dalal Street witnessed a massive sell-off today. The BSE Sensex crashed by over 1,000 points, while the Nifty 50 slipped below the psychological 24,000 mark. Iranian military spokesperson General Abol Fazl Shikarchi alleged that Israel and the US are unable to face Iran directly, which is why they are targeting women, children and common citizens. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.